Guys, thank you so much to everybody that dropped a comment below on our giveaway video. We went through all of them. Nothing that really stuck out, but there was a lot of really good comments. Definitely helping us think. I'm still thinking, we're still gonna think about another name. So what we're gonna do is do a random generator and we'll pick a number. The winner will be popped up on the screen right here. We'll do a screenshot. So just reach out to us. You can send me an email, reach out to us on Instagram or whatever, just to get your shipping details, and that is yours. So congratulations to the winner. It's a great camera. We'll do more giveaways in the future, of course. Plenty more videos coming, and like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.
What I'm saying is, like, we're gonna find that person.
Really?
Say congratulations.
All right, so we had 28 comments. Thank you for everyone who commented. We're gonna do a random generator. So we'll just click it. Okay, it says number 8. So we're gonna go down to here and count 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. This is our winner right here. Gary Marnie. All you have to do, get in touch with us and we'll get you your product sent out to you.